This 2024 Forest River Sunseeker MBS 2400B is a Class C RV. It is located in Fort Worth, Texas, 76140 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Fort Worth. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 25 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 5, Slideout, and 35 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features bunk over cab, outdoor entertainment, U-shaped dinette. This 2024 Forest River Sunseeker MBS 2400B is built on a Mercedes-Benz 3500 chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.